Hello everyone, I'm Ankit Gupta. I'm a director of Holostik India. We are an anti-counterfeiting player. Today I'm here to talk about the problem of anti-counterfeiting and rather counterfeiting and how it impacts your business. Uh, 20% of everything in the market is fake. This is a hard reality we have to live with. It does not only impact the revenue of companies, the profitability, but it impacts lives. People die because of eating or consuming counterfeit products. It impacts brand image. It impacts revenue losses, not tax losses for the government of India, for the governments of your country. It also leads to job losses. So the implication of counterfeiting is multifold. We as Holistic have helped about 10,000 odd companies over the last 30 years solve the problem of counterfeiting. We deal with multiple technologies like holography, like security printing, QR code, barcode, integrating it with IT to create different kind of solutions for you. You can contact us on the number mentioned below or the email ID mentioned below, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.